I'm going to be showing you how to get NSFW on Discord app in your iPhone. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So the important thing you need to know about iPhone limitations is on iOS, Discord does not allow NSFW content to be viewed in the app, even if you are 18 plus. So NSFW is enabled on the server. So this is due to Apple App Store rules, not Discord. So what you can do on your iPhone is join NSFW servers. Just see NSFW channels listed and you'll see a warning like this content is not available on iOS. So there's no actual setting on iPhone to bypass this. So you can try working around it. So what you can do is use Discord on PC or your MacBooks. That's the best option. There you can view NSFW content as much as you want. That's the official way. Or you can try using Discord in a mobile browser. So it may work sometimes, so it's not 100% sure. So let's just try it. Just open Safari or Google Chrome, any of the browsers, and just tap there and go to Discord. You need to make sure that you enable the desktop site and log in from there. So in all of these ways, you can successfully get an NSFW on Discord app in iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.